Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Studio Nail Art Madness. I'm going to do a polish swatch today of this Essie polish. It is called Lots of Luxe. It is 13.5 milliliters or 0.46 fluid ounces. I ordered this off of eBay from Quality First for you. You can find all of their information in the description box. It was $4.86, free shipping to the buyer. Expedited shipping, you get a tracking number and everything for it. So if you are looking to buy polishes online for a really decent price, I do highly recommend this seller, and you can find their link in the description box below. And here is a little bit of what it looks like. It is a bluish glitter polish. Here, and I'm going to move the camera just so hopefully you can see it just a little bit better. So here we go. I already have no mess on my nails, so I can just peel it off if need be. I am already in love. Already. That is beautiful. It is a perfect mixture of the glitter so far. Oh, that is a stunning, stunning blue color. The only thing that I can tell right off the bat that I do not like is the way that it spreads. It goes on a little chunky, and then as you can see here, it sort of thins out. So you don't get a really good even coat on your nail. See that? This polish does set very quickly. It does darken up as it sets. I'm going to apply the first coat and then come back and do a second coat. Here is the first coat. And now I'm going to do the second coat to cover up any of the sheer areas. You sort of got to put it on thick and try not to smooth it out a whole lot, to cover up the sheerness and to not get all of the clumpiness in there. Okay, so here is the second coat completely done. I love this color. I love the sparkle that comes off of it. You do have to apply it thick, but I do love this. It dries very quickly. It's a beautiful polish. I'm going to add the top coat to seal in the color, and then I will show you the finished result. Here is the finished swatch for the Essie Lots of Luxe nail polish. If you are interested in this polish, I will leave the link and the information in the description box where you can check this out at. Very, very beautiful polish. I do want to say that it will stain your nails if you're not using a base coat or no mess or glue or something on your nails. It does stain, and it will stain the side of your finger, your skin. So you do want to use some no mess or a good base coat with that. Or some glue. That's what I use, watered down glue. There will be some pictures for you to view at the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to hit your bell for notifications. And I'll see you later with another video. Bye, guys. Here are some videos that I recommend you watch. You also have the choice of clicking on the profile picture, which will let you subscribe to the YouTube channel. The other box that pops up will take you to the Polish Review website. All social media and website information will be in the description box below.